Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a gripper that matches your current strength. Choose slightly challenging but controllable resistance. Once selected, warm your wrist and fingers for 2-3 minutes to reduce strain and improve activation. Place the handle so the contact sits at the base of your fingers with your thumb directly opposite. Make sure the handle rests on the finger pads, not the palm. Begin with a slow, controlled half squeeze to set range. Then proceed to full reps when you feel stable. Now focus on execution. Perform each squeeze with a deliberate 2 to 3 second closing, hold briefly, then a 2 to 3 second controlled opening so muscles lengthen under tension. You should exhale as you squeeze and inhale as you release to maintain intra-abdominal pressure and stability. Keep your wrist neutral. If the wrist bends, reduce load or adjust hand placement. Once done, complete 3 sets of 8 to 12 clean reps, resting 60 to 90 seconds between sets to preserve form. To finish, track progress with reps, sets, or stronger tension and increase slowly, about 5 to 10% weekly to avoid overuse. After your session, perform light stretching of the forearm and wrist and apply ice only if you have sharp soreness. This speeds recovery and prevents buildup. If you feel joint pain, especially sharp or persistent, stop immediately. Make sure you're not compensating with wrist bend, reduce load, and seek assessment from a coach or clinician if pain persists. That solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.